Yo, what is up people, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your username on Discord Mobile. So it's pretty simple, but first thing first, download Discord Mobile, sign into your Discord account. That's the basic stuff you guys might have already known. And after doing that, basically you open Discord. Now after that, before I teach you, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel because it helps our channel to grow. And you guys can also get notified once our new video releases, so be sure to do that, and it helps our channel to grow as well. And watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys are gonna get confused, and I don't want you guys to get confused. Alright, so follow me step by step. After opening Discord, basically what you guys want to do is click on your profile picture, which is at the bottom right corner like this. And after you're here, where you want to go is on my account. And on my account you can see where it says username, right? You can click on your username. Now over here you can edit your username. So I want to change my username from Witchy. So let's say I want to change my username to WitchyKevin3. It was Witchy_Kevin. Now it's Witchy_Kevin3. Alright. So after typing my new username, I can click on the save button over here. I can click on it, and after that I need to enter my password now to confirm it's me, the owner of the Discord account, to prove that I'm changing my username. So I'm gonna enter the password, and as you guys can see, after entering the password, my username has changed to Witchy_Kevin3. So that's basically how you guys can change your username on Discord. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.